Hey guys, Jen from Cosmetology, and I got a quick little tip on how to clean in tiny little crevasses. One of my tools in my arsenal are these little guys, and you can get different shapes and sizes. These ones specifically have a nice little point to them. So this is really good when I am trying to clean in emblems. Also rubber areas around the sensors. So what I do actually is I use a product from IGL Coatings. It's called Delete. It's a water spot remover, but it also helps with crud. And I will put that in a tiny little cup like this. But a big thing that I like to use it for is badges. So when I'm not debadging and rebadging a car, or what I'll do is I'll just use those little guys and I'll clean in there. You don't want to be reusing it when the little pick is dirty, so that's why I kind of go through a lot of them. Otherwise, what you can do is you can take this little sucker, you can wrap it in a microfiber, and then you can kind of use it like that and probe around. You have to be an authorized detailer to use this product. You'll want to get in touch with your local IGL sales representative. If you don't know who they are or you need help, just reach out. I will send you the right direction. Otherwise, a kind of a lighter version of it is a product that I developed it myself, and it's good for multiple different purposes. But this is lightly acidic, this is very acidic, so this is going to get through it faster, but this will work as well. It just might not work as fast. And that's my quick tip. And if you have any questions, please reach out, put a comment below, like, subscribe, and if you have any requests on next videos, please put that in the comments below as well. Thanks for watching.